Welcome to our tutorial video that will show you how to place a power meter sensor onto a microscope. On your microscope, select a low NA, air objective, such as a 10x objective. Ensure it is clean and presents no signs of damage. Power meter sensors with a shape of a slide are most convenient, as usually all microscopes in biology labs have slide holders. Nevertheless, other power meter sensor models, with different shapes, can be used as well, in combination with specific holders, whose CAD files can be found on the QUAREP website. On an upright microscope, the sensor should be placed below the objective as shown here, and the light should be roughly centered onto the sensitive area. The distance between objective and sensor should not influence the measurement, as long as all light coming out the objective falls into the sensor area. On an inverted microscope, the operation is similar, with the sensitive area of the sensor facing now down, always in the direction of the objective. To center the sensor above the objective, one can use transmitted light illumination, as many power meters have a cross on their back to indicate the center of the sensor area. You can now proceed with the measurement as described in our video entitled, How to Set Up a Power Meter.